Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸 with another tutorial whether how you can schedule your posts on Blue Sky using Metricool. Well, when we try to schedule our posts on Blue Sky, we don't see such option, neither while posting nor under account settings. And that's exactly where Metricool comes in. So go to your Metricool account, and if you have attached your Blue Sky account with it, you will see the logo of your Blue Sky account. And if you haven't so far, watch my tutorial about connecting your Blue Sky account with Metricool. I will also provide its link in the description for your convenience. Anyhow, after connecting your Blue Sky account, go to Planning tab. And here you can schedule your posts to go live on Blue Sky. Here, click anywhere in this section and it will open the window for you where you can schedule your posts. And here you can see it's showing the Blue Sky logo, which means you can schedule your posts for Blue Sky. Well, Blue Sky is the only account I have connected so far. That's why it's showing the logo of one platform only. The more platforms you will connect, the more logos you will see here. And it will be your choice to publish your posts on all platforms or on only the ones you will select. Anyhow, on this window, here you will see the preview whether how your post will look like on small or big screens. Moreover, you can write some specific notes about your post. And on the main section, you have a limit of 300 characters. Remember, this limit may vary according to the selected platform. And you can format your post using this menu. And there are some presets you can do so that you don't need to change them every time. And on this menu, you can select whether what you want to post. And then after writing or creating your post, you can either publish it right away or you can schedule it for some future date. Now, your post has just been scheduled. Well, after scheduling, if you want to change the time, either you can drag and drop it when you want it to go live, or you can double click on it and change the time. And when you will hover your cursor on it, you will see that the status of this post is pending. And when it will be published, its status will be changed to published. And if you want to reschedule it, you can do that by just dragging it to a new time slot unless you make a copy of it. So open it by double clicking on it and duplicate it. Make changes according to your need. And then adjust the time and date and then schedule it. And now, when you hover your cursor on them, you will see the status of these posts. One is pending, and the other one is published. The one with the pending will be published now. And here you can see it's been published. And this is how you can schedule your posts on Blue Sky using Metricool. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope This will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.